Today we meet Sarawakian artist Yii Kah Hoe, who pushes the boundaries of music and performance. He blends sound, movement, and visual arts to challenge culture, identity, and society itself.
Sarawak, my pride. Sarawak, my pride. Sarawak, my pride. Pun kita berada. Sarawak, Sarawak tetap di jiwa. Sarawak, my pride. Kita berdiri tinggi. Sarawak, my pride. Dunia kenal kini. Tak kira di mana, tetap satu hati. Sarawak, my pride. Selamanya di sini.
I'm father of two children,
Amazing.
and composer, lecturers, and also as field recordist.
What was life before all this in Sarawak?
I was a little boy who came from a village that without electricity, without the running waters, and my bathroom is a river in front of my house. Yeah, I very appreciate that experience in that period of times. Until now, that experience still shape my way of hearing, my way how to treat the music.
It's almost like your environment triggered
Yeah,
what you
yeah.
are doing today.
Yeah, yeah.
Although you live in a city where everything is so noisy, noise pollution is not the type that we enjoy, you still take yourself back to that moment in Sarawak.
Yeah. So every year I bet in my hometown Cebu, then I will go to that place and then do the field recordings.
Yeah, and I feel that this is the beauty of meeting other Sarawakians. No matter where we go in the world, we will always want to go back to the nature that is the
Yeah,
beauty
yeah.
of Sarawak.
Yeah.
What attracted you to that instrument particularly?
I went to my best friend's house and he demonstrated a DJ to me, and this is the first time I heard DJ lively.
Yeah.
And I was so impressed by the unique, transparent and expressive sound of the instruments. And I started learning DJ from him. Since that, I practice up to 8 hours a day. It sounds so
goodness.
crazy.
How many years did you do that?
For many years, more than 5 years, and getting very complaints from my neighbors.
So you learn reading notes and stuff like that through this instrument?
Yeah, yeah. By that time, we don't have proper or professional teacher who can able to teach us.
Yeah.
But I learned from my friends, and most of the times I just self-taught.
So now when did you realize that music is something that you wanted to pursue long term?
I think I just simply love music. So simply love the music, practice music, and performance music in school and community events in Cebu. Then in 2006, there is one composition competitions organized by Singapore Chinese Orchestra.
Yeah.
And I was very lucky to win the third prize.
Ah.
And since that, I think this is mark the beginning start of very serious that I need to start my career as a composer.
That's just such a amazing journey, because after that you start composing for Western orchestras.
Yeah.
So what is that journey like for you? How did it happen?
University, I major in ethnomusicology.
And where was this?
In China.
Wow.
It's a musicologist. So I need to learn how to do the field work recordings of the folk music, different type of the traditional music.
Yeah.
So when I'm back in Sarawak, I start to do the field work and correcting many of people singing in the street. I even went to Indonesia to do the recording.
Wow.
Yeah. So I have a first-hand resource in all the materials, the people singing, people playing the music. Since I have these materials, why not I using these materials to compose some things? So it's a very organic way to turn the instrumentalist to the composer. Yeah.
You've gotten a lot of international recognition. So what do you feel about this global acknowledgement that you get from your work?
If they listen to my music or my performance and there is no much difference to the local people there, and to me this is no good.
Yeah.
And when my music is being world premieres in different countries, there was something different. This music is very fresh and it's totally different with people who compose the music in different ways.
Yeah.
Then I think this will make me feel better. Going to work with a composer from the UK who stay in UK. I will bring him, the musicians, to Borneo. We experience the natures. We stay in the forest, maybe for 10 days.
Wow.
It's 10 days to feel the environment, to feel the atmosphere in the forest, to do the field recording, to correcting the material from the rivers, from the trees, from any surroundings. Nature was my first teachers.
Yeah.
And you were seeing the bird singing and the insect calling and also the flow of the rivers. And all this shaped my way of think music or feel the music or explore a new ways based on these fundamentals.
Yeah.
I think the nature really trained my ear. Me and the UK musicians, we will go to do the recording in the Londons, in the Bath, in different places. I'm going to Bath at this coming 20th. So we will stay another 10 days to do the field recordings, and then at the end we take around 6 months or 3 months to do the process, to the raw materials, how to transform the raw material into our own creations. At this moment, I still have one unfinished project.
Okay.
It started 2 years ago, and this project is found by National Geography.
Wow,
And
that is a big deal.
our task is to go to the primary forest, secondary forest, and the urbans to do the field recording to feel the environment changes in between, comparison between the primaries, secondaries, and the urbans.
Which forest did you go to?
Akemasas in here.
Okay, wow,
Yeah,
that's
yeah, yeah.
amazing.
We even hired the helicopter to fly over, so taken from the different angles. Yeah.
Wow, do you need assistant? I follow you. It's amazing.
Written like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so now you are also a lecturer.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us about that experience.
When I back from China, I start my first careers, and I maintain this careers until now.
Yeah.
Teaching more than 20 years in college, in music department.
So here, do you teach specific instruments or more of just theory?
My main subject is compositions,
Yeah.
theories, musical forms, instrumentations and also the computer notations.
Yeah. So besides teaching and besides composing, what's your daily life like?
I like traveling. I like traveling in different places that I not used to be.
Yeah.
I just start to drive by, so
Yeah.
I just simply go to anywhere and stop on the halfways and then start to feel the environment, to listen to the music, to the sound. You feel the surroundings, the sound on the noise coming to this space,
Yeah.
And this is a natural concert that starts to playing by the natures, by the birds, by everything.
Yeah. Is there something that you would like to share with the younger generation in Sarawak to motivate them to achieve their full potential?
I think they need to know their own cultures, different with others part of the world. Like Kenyan people do some things, dance, and Kenyans or Penang or all the Iban and Bidayos, what their cultures. Then to learn from them, to communicate with them, and the intercultural performance collaborations with different type of peoples, and build out the confidence and to be proud of Sarawakian.
Yeah. So to be able to respect our very rich culture, understanding our value, and taking care of it.
Yeah.
If there's one thing we've learned from Yii Kah Hoe is that in a world full of noise, it is very important to just listen. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you. And thank you for joining us here on Sarawak, My Pride. Catch you on the next episode.
Sarawak, my pride. Dari bumi hijau kita bermula langkah jauh.